Alright, there's your repeaters down there, dude.
Oh,
Go hit that one.
I started off with
Yeah, start off with that. Alright, here we go.
up in the tree.
Yeah, up in the tree. Why don't you move that out from under the tree? I'm just trying to space it out, man. You guys are talking about spacing it out.
Alright, going up.
Make
sure that you're doing something.
Collectively
You don't want
explode.
to pop at the bottom.
That's why it doesn't happen.
Alright, yeah.
You want to put it in between two things.
How many shots is that? That's
13.
alright, here we go. I said that like 3 times now.
Yeah.
This is the way these two fuses were twisted together.